The diagram shows a design formed by drawing 6 lines in a regular hexagon. The lines divide each edge of the hexagon into 3 equal parts. What fraction of the hexagon is shaded? So the way I did it is I divided the smaller hexagons in it to 6 different parts. So there are 6 equilateral triangles. So what I did is I joined the vertices, and they pass through the vertices of the center hexagon, the shaded hexagon in the center. And if I do that, I did it drawing freehand. I didn't want to use a ruler or the line tool. The reason is because my hexagon is not regular. I didn't measure the sides and draw it, so it's not regular, so I couldn't match up the corners, so I drew it by hand. The other reason is this is a competition maths question. I think it's a UKMT question, and so you're not allowed any rulers or any straight edge to draw anything, so you have to do by hand whatever you want to do, or so that's what I did. So then the next, if I were to join all these vertices, you see we have already divided the hexagon in the center into 6 equal parts, and those parts are equal to the equilateral triangles outside. And you see, if you keep doing that, and if you keep doing it to all the hexagons that are outside the shaded region, you divide them all into 6 equal parts, or 6 equilateral triangles, and that's all done. So all these triangles, we have divided the larger hexagon into tiny equilateral triangles, and they are all equal. So how many triangles? So each hexagon has now been divided into 6 equilateral triangles. So now there are 6 triangles, as you can see, and they're all equal. The next is, so there are 7 hexagons. So the 7 hexagons are here. So if I highlight, so this is one hexagon. This is hexagon number 2, the second one. This is the third one. 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these are the 7 hexagons. Now there are equilateral triangles that lie between the hexagons as well. Which are these? You see these ones. They do not belong to the hexagons. So we cannot forget them. We have to include them in our count of total triangles. Okay, so there are 42 equilateral triangles. If you multiply the triangles that are within the hexagons, you get 42. So we have to add to that 42. So how many do we add? We add the 12. And as I was explaining, we add the triangles that do not belong to the hexagons. So then there are 12 of them, so you add them. So you get a total of 54 equilateral triangles. And what next we do is we point out how many are shaded. So out of the 54 equilateral triangles, 12 are shaded. So the fraction of hexagons that is shaded is 12 out of 54. So the total 54, 12 are shaded. You simplify it, you would get 2 out of 9. So the answer is 2 out of 9.